All right, we are going to enable RIP-NG, RIP Next Generation. There is no multiple versions like what we see in IPv4. For RIP, there are two versions in IPv4. In IPv6, we have only one called RIP-NG, RIP Next Generation. Now on router A, this is what the routing table looks like. This is how it looks like. Show IPv6 interface brief. You can see the interface is assigned with an address, and you can see show IPv6 route. Yeah, so this is the IPv6 routing table. You can see there is one loopback and one physical interface. Likewise on router B, this is the routing table. There are two physical interface and then one loopback interface. And on router C, the routing table has got one loopback and one physical. But there is no reachability from here to router 1's loopback, nor to router 2's loopback, because there is no route. And we don't have route also to reach 2000:12. 2000:12 is in between router 1 and router 2. We need a routing protocol. We have decided to enable RIP-NG. See how to enable it. It's very easy. I'm starting from router C. You go straight to the interface and say IPv6 RIP. Give any name. I'm going to give a name like alpha 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 enable. But it is not accepting the command. Why? This is IPv6. By default, only IPv4 services, IPv4 support is enabled on routers. IPv6 we have to enable. For that, we need to first go to the global mode and say IPv6 unicast routing. If you don't put this command, routing is not enabled. IPv6 routing is not enabled if you don't put this command. Okay, now I go under interface loopback 0 again and I put this command IPv6 RIP alpha 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 enable. What is this alpha alpha alpha? What is this AAA? It can be anything. It can be a name like Kupan, Ramsamy. It can be a name, kind of process ID. Now, I go under interface G000 and put the same thing. So there are two interfaces running RIP version 6 called RIP-NG, RIP Next Generation. What do you do whenever you configure like this? We check it, right? We verify it. Show IPv6 protocol. You can see a RIP called AA with these two interfaces running. Now going to the second router, interface loopback 0, IPv6 RIP. There I gave AAA. Here I no need to maintain the same name. I can give different name like flare enable. Again, same problem. I have to first start with this command IPv6 unicast routing. Whenever you are trying for routing protocol feature, you have to start with this command. Okay, only once you need to put this command. Any routing protocol, only once you put this command. Now I'll go under loopback 0 again and put the same, and then interface G000 and then interface G001, done. Let's verify show IPv6 protocol. You can see that there's a RIP instant with a name called Flare, and these are the interfaces. Now just one more router to finish configuring RIP NG. Interface loopback 0 IPv6 RIP. I'm going to say router A enable, just a name, IPv6 unicast routing. Go back again. Oh, come on. Interface G000. All right, we have enabled RIP on all three routers. Verify. Show IPv6 protocol. You see this. Show IPv6 route RIP. I want to see only the RIP learned routes. This is packet tracer. I don't support this command. So I'll type without RIP. Show IPv6 route. You can see these routes now learned via RIP. Administrative distance of RIP is what? 120. Whether it is IPv4 or IPv6, AD value is same. Now, if you try pinging from here 3333::3, not even a single packet you will lose. Because RIP, no, before you ping, the neighbor discovery, everything gets over and it is ready for communication. Is there any question? Do you want me to show any verification? Let me know. What happened? You are not talking.
No, sir. And the name any name மாதிரி கொடுக்குறாங்க சார்.
Name can be any name.
அது வந்து மூணு ரவுட்டர்லயும் சேமாவும் இருக்கலாம்.
Nothing wrong. Doesn't matter. Not a problem.
Okay.
Nothing wrong. Yeah. Okay. So you may start now.